Hey guys, I'm Isa from IGK Hair, and I'm here to show you guys how to recreate this look using the new IGK Smoothing Hair Balm. This is perfect for medium to thick, coarse hair, and it's going to smooth out your hair. It's gonna remove the frizz, and the balm controls the frizz for up to 72 hours. Okay, so you're gonna start with some clean, damp hair, and we're gonna start by applying a little bit of the Good Behavior Hair Balm. And I like to massage it through my hands. And then I work it through. And then whatever's left over, I apply to my hairline and my roots. And I'm just gonna distribute the product throughout the hair. This product is amazing because it has shea butter and spirulina protein. So that's gonna really help to nourish the hair and strengthen it. I'm gonna make sure that all of that product is in there and it's evenly distributed. So I'm gonna start off first by putting my blow dryer on high heat and high fan. And I'm really just gonna go in and rough dry, get most of that moisture out before I go in with my round brush. So this is the end result. My hair is so soft and so smooth. I'm obsessed. You know, instead of doing a keratin, being committed every 3 months, this is a great alternative, and you can just have it in your bathroom. And then once you wash your hair, your natural texture is back. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.